Hi, on behalf of Expert Village, my name is Andrea Spano, and I'm going to show you how to make several different flavored cheesecakes from one basic cheesecake recipe from my new book, Not Just Desserts. I just want you to take notice of the tops of the cheesecakes. We've minimized the cracks that formed in the cheesecakes, and the reason for that is because we baked it at a low temperature between 275 and 300 degrees. Now remember, cream cheese exudes a lot of liquid, so when you bake it slow, the proteins in the cream cheese have a chance to develop and therefore make a more homogenized and flat finish where the moisture doesn't exude from the cream cheese, thereby causing cracks. So there you see each one, very minimized cracks or no cracks at all. On behalf of Expert Village, thanks for watching.